Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add debit card or credit card to your Apple Wallet on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device and you want to add debit card or credit card to your Apple Wallet, so let's see how can you add that. So the very first you just have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general. Go for VPN device management. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. And after that, you just have to go back, and from here, now you just have to open the settings app again, and then go for wallet here, and then you just have to select the add card option, or you can simply add your card from your app store or your Apple ID. But I'm going to add my card in my app store, so tap on app store, and here just tap on Apple ID option in the top right corner. Then so tap on your Apple ID right here, and then you just have to look for the option of payment and shipping and something like this. So first of all, you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Once you have entered your password, tap on the sign in option here, and now you just have to wait for the next screen. And here you just have to select manage payment option, and after that here you can easily add your payment method or your debit card or credit card. So just wait for a second here, and here you'll find the add payment option. You just have to select your credit or debit card, or you can use this camera option to scan your credit card or debit card, or you can enter your number or information manually. Just enter your number, then expires, and then CVV, and after that just tap on done option in the top right corner, and your credit card will be added to your Apple ID or your Apple wallet. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.